we continue the series of exchange sacrifices with the so-called intuitive exchange sacrifice. For me, when I had a look at this position, it was almost clear to me that I have to exchange sacrifice here. And the reason for that is that things are going bad. Black has a huge center, and if you let him roll down the board with his center, I will just be in huge trouble. So that's the reason why you should immediately consider this exchange sack. And once you see you get a lot of stuff in return, a lot of things we already talked about a lot on this channel, you will realize it should be the better choice. It might not be winning, but alternatives are just bad. So it should be worth a shot, and you get at least as playable position as with the alternative. So let's have a look at the alternative first. If rook e2, black will just castle, and then at some point we won't be able to stop this e4 push, which leaves us in huge danger. For example, h3 takes and e4. Black's pieces are just really so dangerous here. Hitting the bishop, threatening d3. It's close to losing. White is lucky to have knight d4, but even after that, there is so good piece play for black. For example, rook d8 or f4, trying to create an attack, and our bishop is so passive. Pieces are very dependent on each other. The harmony is not great, and black is in good shape. So that's why we should change the nature of the position. That's often a key thing which an exchange sacrifice does. It disrupts the balance of material, but it also disrupts the pawn structures and the harmony of pieces, and creates some new squares. For example, after g4, pawn to g4, we suddenly get access to this e4 square, which we didn't have before. It's a huge change. Suddenly we do not need to be worried about any e4 pushes any longer. So bishop will be great on e4, the main h4, queen to f6, protecting against this fork on g6, which was threatened. Bishop to e4, g5, knight f5, just stabilized a lot. We are trying to continue, create some new squares for the knight. Might drop his bishop back in order to keep control of the d6 square. But after c5, we are in the driver's seat. We have so much stability in the center. We might reroute this knight towards d6 maybe, push the pawns here, get a huge initiative, and black can be really happy if he survives this material up, but positionally a very, very questionable position. So remember this, some exchange sacrifices should come natural. If the current position is just horrible for you, the opponent is having some initiative, some great attack, some pawns rolling down the center, and you can disrupt all this with one single exchange sacrifice, secure some good spots for your pieces, um, destroy the pawn structure of your opponent. This might be worth it. And this should, in some instances, come very intuitively to you if you have studied exchange sacrifices a lot. So that's it for this video. If you like it, please like and subscribe. Write some comments. Just say hi, or let me know what else you want to see on this channel. Really appreciate it. Helps the algorithm make this channel grow, and thus also helps you to get more videos in the future. So thanks for watching, and see you in the next one. Goodbye.